I want to show you the changes they've made in Vectorworks 2026 to the worksheets. They've made it so much quicker to use the worksheets. So let's just have a look. This is Vectorworks 2025. There we are, we've got some paving. Let's change that to aerial. So format, cells. Now I could type it in at the top. There's aerial. I don't want it to be bold. I want it to be 14 point. So that'll change that font. But let's have a look at this in 2026 because it's so much quicker. This is 2026. Here, I can change it right there. Arial, make it bold, unbold. Make the font bigger, let's just change it there. So this is really quick to be able to change your formatting of your worksheet so quickly. It used to be really complicated because people couldn't see it instantly. Now they can see it instantly. It's going to give people a lot more confidence in dealing with their worksheets. Thanks, Vectorworks. Hey, if you like this movie, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification so you get notified. I know a lot of you actually aren't subscribers, so please do me a favor and click on that subscribe button. Now, if you want to go into a lot of detail about the changes in Vectorworks 2026, I've just finished writing my manual for my members. Become a member, click on the link in the description, and join my community. See ya!